Hey there everybody, my name is Veeti, I'm one of the co-founders of MailMoo, and today I'll be doing a quick walkthrough of our entire platform and all of the tools we have that you can use to create personalized LinkedIn outreach sequences automatically. Let's get started. So yeah, first you want to go to mailmoo.io and get signed up. After you've done that, you'll be directed to our app. From here, you can see all of the key metrics from your campaigns and personalized video performance. Basically, everything important in MailMoo can be found from the left navigation bar. Here, you have the outreach tools, you have the content creation tools, the settings, and also the workspace switcher. Usually, people start off with creating their first campaign, which you can do from the top here. So we can just do that. We can create our first campaign. Basically, almost everything in MailMoo revolves around the campaigns. So into the campaigns, you can upload your own leads or get leads from Sales Navigator or our own lead finder. So you can decide what's the best option for you. If you have a third-party database you're using, or for example, you're using Clay to enrich leads, the CSV upload is a really good way of getting those leads into MailMoo. You can use Sales Nav to directly import leads from the sales queries there, or if you do lead magnets, you can also import those commenters directly from the post from LinkedIn, which is really handy. Yeah, I'm going to show you how to do the CSV upload. It's really straightforward. Click that, upload your CSV file. Here in my example file, I have a couple of LinkedIn URLs, first names and last names. The system will parse these automatically. You can see here, it's selected all the variables correctly here. And then you can just save and continue the leads once you've checked that those are all in order. Once the leads are uploaded, you can basically get started creating your personalized content. This is really easy. In the campaign tab, you can basically see on the top here, we have LinkedIn, video creator, slides, landing pages, analytics, webhooks, and settings. Basically, all the campaign specific content and sequences can be found from here. We can start off by going through the LinkedIn sequences. Yeah. To get started with the LinkedIn sequence creation, you want to select the accounts you've connected to MailMoo that you want to use for this particular campaign. So we have a couple of accounts here connected to MailMoo. If you haven't done that yet, you can go to the workspace settings from the nav bar here, and you can connect more accounts to MailMoo from the LinkedIn accounts tab by clicking the connect account button here. Yeah, once you've done that, you can then select the accounts from the sender accounts list here. Select your account, adjust the account limits. We recommend keeping them the ones we have here. So we have warm-up, normal, sales nav, and custom. We recommend using the normal or the warm-up if your account is new or if it's in regular use. But yeah, then you want to select the schedule here. Usually people send messages Monday through Friday during 9 to 5 times. So this is usually regular working hours. You might not want to send messages during the weekend, but this is up to everybody's preferences. Remember to select the right time zone. This is by default in UTC, but if you live somewhere else, you want to set this to your own time zone. For example, I'd set this to Europe Helsinki, which is UTC +2. So yeah, once you've selected your sending accounts for the campaign and the schedule is correct, you can create the sequence here. Then you can start adding nodes into the sequence creator here. Basically, we have a bunch of nodes you can use. We have like is connected on LinkedIn, so we have like conditional nodes. And then we have the action nodes like the send connection request, send direct message, send email, send voice message, wait, react to post, visit profile, and update tag. So you can start creating your own sequence here by putting in some nodes. So, connecting people, sending them messages, or then you can use the templates from the top left here, which you can use to easily make a quick outreach sequence that you can then fill in all the messages into. But yeah. Once you've basically made your outreach campaign, you can start adding the messages here. You can customize the message content quite extensively. So, as you know, we have the personalized videos and the slideshows as well as the landing pages. So you can use those on top of the regular variables. So we could do like a hey, first name, how are you? And then you can see from the message preview, it's going to fill in the variables. So it's going to say, hey, Veeti, how are you? Since I'm using my own lead information here. But yeah, after this is done, you can press save. And then the message node is done, and you can move on to the catch-up message. So you could do like, hey, did you see my previous message? There you go. So you could do that. What you can also do in the message nodes is basically you could add the personalized videos to them as a link. So you could direct the people to your landing pages directly. So how you can do that is you can do it from this button, but since we haven't created it, it's not available. We can go to the video creator up top here, and we can start creating our personalized videos. Basically, how these work is that you record one real video of yourself to a given target audience, and you pitch your product or service to them, and then you can edit individual elements of the video to be personalized to the lead you're sending it to. Basically, I have a bunch of videos here. We can just select this one. So here you can see we're using this template called webcam plus lead website and background. So this would be that the system goes through and it scrapes the lead's website and it uses it in the beginning of the video here. So you can see the background is like green and it says lead website. That basically means that the system's going to go and it's going to go scrape a video of the website that the lead has in the lead list, which is really useful for capturing people's attention. Then it's going to switch to a background, which you can select from here. So if you have like a background recording of your own app or your website, you could select it from here. We also have a bunch of other templates. For example, we have the personalized slideshows, so you can use those as backgrounds as well once you've uploaded them into MailMoo. But yeah, we can use this template for now and have the video as is. You can also add audio variables, so you can personalize individual words in the video. So for example here, I say, hey there, my name is Veeti, I'm one of the co-founders of MailMoo, and this video was automatically personalized to you by our software. What we can do is we can replace the there word with an audio variable. So for example, the first name here, we could do that, and then the system's basically gonna replace the word there with the first name variable of each lead when you send them to the people. Once you've configured your videos, you can basically click render videos here, and it's gonna make a video for each one of your leads. You can also create personalized slideshows, so if you have presentations, you can add them to MailMoo as PowerPoint files, and you can include variables in them. So if you put a bracket around a word in the slideshow presentation, our system can detect it, and you can change it to any variable that basically you want. And this is really powerful for creating those personalized presentations, which you can also use in the background of videos. So if you go back to the video creator, you can select the webcam plus personalized slideshow option. And there you see, you can basically have the slideshows in the backgrounds of videos as well. And this is going to be in sync with your speech. So when you change the position of the video timeline here, you can see the slideshows change accordingly. Yeah, that's really powerful. And all the videos and the slideshows can be shown on our personalized landing pages here. So we have a personalized landing page creator, which you can fully white label to your company. So you can change the logos, the texts, the domain, and everything about it. You can use the tools here on the sidebar to customize the landing pages. People will put custom text and descriptions on them, have their calendar link here, a CTA button at the bottom here, so I can show you how that works. So there will be a button here at the bottom of the video. You can do that, and you can also attach custom scripts to the landing pages. If you have, like, for example, the metapixel you want to use for tracking, you can also do that. So yeah, it's very helpful. And it helps you convert more leads because they can watch the video from here and book a meeting directly from the page. It's really good for conversions. Now you can track all the analytics from the analytics tab. This basically, you can just see all the how much message has been sent and who's watched the videos and where from. It's very straightforward. And then you can connect all of this up to your CRM with the webhooks, for example. So yeah, that's basically the overview of the campaigns. It's quite extensive, but once you get the hang of it, it's really powerful and one of the best ways to do outreach at the moment with the LinkedIn outreach and the personalized video. So yeah, once you've made your campaign, you can start running it from the top here. You can press run campaign and MailMoo will start sending out videos and messages to all of your leads. Once that's done, basically all the messages will come to the inbox where you can reply to all of the conversations from all of the connected LinkedIn accounts from the same place. So this is really powerful if you're running a large sales operation. You can connect all of your LinkedIn accounts to one inbox and reply to them from one place. It's super good. For example, we have one person replying to 10 people's inboxes at once. It's super efficient. In the inbox, we also have a reply assistant, which you can use to craft quick responses to all of your leads automatically. And you can feed the AI context about your company and products and pricing in the workspace settings. So yeah, that was basically the overview of MailMoo and how the campaigns work. I hope this was a good overview of the platform. If you have any questions, you can book a meeting from the link down below or message us directly from the chat window here on the website. This goes to our actual phones, so you can actually text us directly. It's not an AI chat. But yeah, hey, we have more videos on our channel about how to use MailMoo, how to create quality sequences. If you want to check those out, the link should be somewhere here and also in the description. That was the overview of MailMoo. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.